Chanterelles have like a super fruity, aromatic smell to them. And they're so sweet smelling. Today we're gonna make some Chanterelle ice creams. I found over 10 different species in Pennsylvania. There's a lot of diversity in Chanterelles, and they haven't been all classified yet. I mean, some of the Chanterelles were only classified in like 2012, 2013. We have all these Chanterelles that we found, and we're gonna make some beautiful ice cream. All I did was rinse these Chanterelles in water from the sink, and I'm gonna go ahead and simmer them in some milk. Just put this on medium-low heat and let this simmer. And what's gonna happen is that the Chanterelle essence, the smell, the aroma of the Chanterelles is gonna infuse into this milk. All right, so you're gonna wanna make sure you get the full fat coconut milk can. Get that right in there. We're gonna add a little bit of this vanilla extract, and then we're gonna add some maple syrup for our sugar. All right, and then we're gonna blend this first by itself, and then we're gonna add our Chanterelle extract mix. I'm gonna strain out some of the milk in there, and I'm gonna add just a little bit of Chanterelles. It'll help give it that nice golden color. And now we just gotta wait for this to cool down a little bit before we put it into the ice cream machine. It's almost caramely a little bit. Got that coconut flavor in there. Chanterelle hits in the back. There you go. Perfect for a hot summer day.